Hi, welcome. Thanks for taking our time to watch this video. Have you ever thought of being more? Have you ever wanted to do more in life, achieve your 100% potential? Today, I'm going to talk about a scientific technique which uses two faculties of the brain to support it. And we can use this process to be more and achieve more in the 24 hours that we have usually. The first faculty of the brain is to visualize or already play a reel in the head of the thing which you are going to do. For example, if I wish to get up from here and go and fetch a glass of water from the kitchen, I'll have that reel playing in my mind. It will be like a quick reel. And the same kind of visual reel happens when we think of going and giving a presentation, for example, or meeting a specific client for our business. So why not utilize this faculty of the brain of visualizing and creating a wheel of any future event that is going to happen. The second faculty, as mentioned by the celebrated author Joe Vitale in his book Zero Limits, he mentions that at any given point of time, there are 15 million bits of information that are available to us. But our brain has a self-protecting mechanism, a filter through which it processes only 15 bits of information. And the good news is that these filters can be reprogrammed through our beliefs and thoughts that we have. If we program these filters with positive thoughts, with positive visions, then that is what our brain will try and replicate for us again and again through the day. For example, if any one of you wants to be more confident, wants to be a better speaker, wants to come across as more self-assured, then you should already start thinking and visualizing the events in which you will come across as more self-confident, going and making that proposal to a very big client, bagging the business offer, getting the promotion, raising your hand in the meeting, for example, to make a point. If that is what you keep thinking and you're not able to speak up, you can visualize it in your mind, and then your brain starts getting it into reality. The filters are, programmed that way for you. So initially, friend, as even I was a little skeptic about this, process, but I found it very useful. So why are you wasting time? Let us quickly start using it from tomorrow onwards. Only 2 minutes of your time in the morning. Just visualize how your day is going to be and see how it turns out. Just see the magic unfold. Think of each of the situations and how you're coming out a winner in that. It could also help you adopt a new skill. For example, even for skill developing, this visualization technique is very good. So friends, just leave your comments below on this video as to what you think about it. I'll be more than happy to reply to your questionnaires at kaushik.monica@gmail.com. And so let's visualize and make our life better. For next time, see you again. Bye.